Japanese animation, known as anime in the West, has gone from a niche, geeky interest to a mainstream juggernaut enjoyed by people all over the world. It spans every genre, every taste, and every type of story you can imagine. So where can you go to personalize your desktop computer to reflect your love of your favorite anime? These are some of the best sites to easily find the top anime wallpapers for your desktop computer. Wallhaven. Following in the footsteps of the now defunct 4scrape and 4walled, Wallhaven offers an intuitive wallpaper database and search tool with a dedicated section for anime wallpapers and decent filters to remove adult or borderline content. You can arrange wallpapers by popularity, recency, or in random order. There are comprehensive filters to find pictures of a particular resolution or shape as well. Keywords and tagging are community driven, so there are times when you'll find something that's not safe for work, which has been mislabeled. The good news is that you can correct these tags yourself. Another really handy feature is available if you register for an account and are logged in. The site will remember which wallpapers you've already seen and mark them. The scope and range of anime wallpapers on this site is staggering, and you'll even find plenty of related geeky wallpapers under the general section as well. This is a great first stop to quickly put together a robust anime wallpaper collection. WallHere. WallHere is very clearly aiming for Wallhaven's crown, with an interface and overall look that's very similar at first glance. Once you actually start using the site, you'll realize they are actually quite different. First of all, there's no dedicated anime section, even though there are plenty of anime wallpapers on the site. We found the easiest workaround for this is to simply search for the keyword anime, and you should see just about everything that's available. The filters on offer are not quite as detailed as Wallhaven's, and there's only a single not safe for work switch, rather than the 3-tier system of the other site. But with a little extra effort, you should be able to narrow things down to what you're looking for and cut out all the noise. One mildly annoying thing is that you need to be logged in for full quality image downloads, but once that's sorted, it's easy to get the pictures at their full quality. MiniTokyo. MiniTokyo is one of the most venerable anime wallpaper sites on the web, and has been around for ages. It's an anime pop culture site in general, but is famous for its wallpapers as well as very high resolution scans of anime and manga media, which can be used to create wallpapers or as wallpapers themselves. Compared to sites like Wallhaven and WallHere, MiniTokyo does feel a little dated. You'll also find many of the wallpapers on other sites, but this is where the originals and some of the more unique and less mainstream ones will be found. The scans are also invaluable, even if you just want to use them as wallpapers directly without modifying them. Wallpaper Abyss. Wallpaper Abyss lives up to its name, with an absolute massive collection of wallpapers on offer. Its anime subsection was just short of 180,000 wallpapers at the time we filmed this. You might expect it would be hard to find what you need with such a massive collection of images. In fact, Wallpaper Abyss has a pretty good filter and search system to help narrow the options. You can choose to only see images of a specific resolution, and even change the display of wallpapers from paginated to infinite scrolling. While it may not look quite as slick as the newest sites on the web, Wallpaper Abyss has it where it counts. If you want even more suggestions for great anime wallpaper sites, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.